It's definitely small, but it's clean out there, dude. I can't make this up. My GoPro died out in the water and my wave in was so sick. Just like 4 fucking and just like finished it off so well. And I freaking look at my camera and it's just dead and I'm just like, no. But anyways, I'm going to an interview right now. That's why I had to get out. It's at Duke's, which if you know Oahu, you know Duke's. So hopefully I get the job. That'd be sick. After my interview, possibly an afternoon sesh or an evening sesh, we will see what the day brings us. I got the job, bro. Now time to celebrate with a second surf session.